But this basically is good, but this is a new game also for everybody who is in power, whether it's local power or it's national power. How to move people to achieve certain objectives is the question. If you are president, how to move those mayors who are directly elected to follow your purpose, your objective. If they say, no, I don't want to follow you, what can you do? I mean, you can play with the fiscal incentive, but that's not amount to much. Of course, you cannot stop their money from the government, from Jakarta. They will revolt. There's practically nothing significant be done in terms of administration, administration. But you can do a lot of things in persuading those people. You have to use your power of persuasion. You have to use your network. You have to play politics with them. This is normal democracy. You have to play normal games in democracy. Rarely people realize that. Now, if you are talking about the most important thing in this whole process, you have to look at the most important service that this kind of delegation of power serve. It is the basic service now. It's on the counties. Healthcare and education. It is no longer the quote-unquote the business of the central government. It's the business of local government. Now, if you see the patterns, in some areas, provision of healthcare and education are getting better. But in some other areas, they are just disappeared. It depends on the quality of the local bureaucracy before the decentralization. If in Jawa Timur, for example, you have tradition of local government that was strong, when it is decentralized, then the services become much better. It brings closer the services to the people. But in people like in Papua, in places like in Papua, especially if in the Pemekaran, wilayah Pemekaran, Provinsi Pemekaran, you see all of these good things that were built by Pak Harto, you know, sekolah desa, impres, puskesmas, puskesmas pembantu, posyandu, they were all gone. The buildings were still there, but no teachers, no nurses. So we have to use power that we have now. We have to play the game of this new democracy in order to achieve those purposes, to enhance more public services. Now, I don't know whether my seniors who grew up under the old kind of habit, they really realize this is a new Indonesia. You have to play normal democracy, persuasion, building your network, play politics in order to achieve objective, national or local. That's, I hope, I can also contribute in making people realize that.